Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for checking out my channel. If you're new to my channel, please check out my playlist that I'll put up here. Again, I'll be talking about the Tacoma and another mod that I've done. I promised that I wasn't doing any major mods. It cost me under $200, so I don't call it major, but it is a mod. So back to the Tacoma that I'll be talking about, and what am I going to do today is this guy. It is an exhaust by MBRP. It's a 3-inch single catback exhaust that I'll be replacing my stock one. So hopefully I'll be able to do this by myself. It is getting dark, and as you've seen in my other videos, I gotta do what I gotta do, and sometimes it's gonna be dark. Alright, so this exhaust came from Amazon. It's under $200. The box was a little beat up, but it looks like everything's okay inside. Thank you, Jonah. Jonah actually wants the box, just to let you know he likes boxes. So this is a 3-inch aluminized steel. To actually use a mandrel bender, and it's even, so there's no kinks, as you can see when you go to certain muffler shops. So that's a nice benefit. It's going to have even flow. This material is called aluminized steel, so it's not stainless steel. I got this one because I wanted a cheap bang for the buck. So you can see right there, it uses these baffles for the straight pipe. It has a label right there, so I guess I'll put it so that way it's right side up this way, pointing towards the passenger side. Alright, the instructions say here, since I have a short bed, I need to cut 13¼ right there where my thumb is. Approximately 13¼ off the end pipe without the flange. That's the flange. That's not. So 13¼
is 1/4.
It's right there. With my super straight.
Yeah.
Not so straight.
It's not. It doesn't have to be perfect, Dad.
It doesn't. Huh? Almost. So 13 and a little bit less. I'm happy with that. So let's do it. Unplug it, Jesse.
Unplug it. We don't need it. We don't need it no more. It's done, Dad. Come on, plug this in. Done? Can I start to plug it in now?
What are you doing? I use the sound recorder to go ahead and try to get a little bit better sound recording than the phone. Hopefully it makes a difference as far as you guys being able to hear on the YouTube channel. Okay, so now my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this stock exhaust out and hopefully be alright doing that.
Everywhere now. Yeah, it's getting dark now. Ah, you yanked it out.
I did.
I think when we put this on, I think we're gonna test it out again. Sending Instagram. Keeps on sending an Instagram.
All my Instagram friends.
It keeps on sending it to you. They take picture. They always send it to you.
You recording me with this?
Yes.
Right here? Okay.
Yes.
It's on. So this is stock. Okay, turn it off.
widescreen.
When we're at 2100 RPM or so, it's actually pretty okay. Right now I'm in 4th gear. Nothing's vibrating. It's definitely an exhaust, you know it's there. Fourth gear, 55 miles an hour or so. Let's go with 5th gear. So 5th gear about 50 or so. So what is drone? Yes, that is a drone, but that's not the drone I'm talking about. But drone is a constant sound that can just drive you crazy. So does this MBRP exhaust have drone? I didn't really notice it. But now, if you're driving, accelerating, you're gonna have that buzzy sound, that's for sure. So it's up to you if you want to try it or not. I think for the price, it's a good thing to try. If you don't like it, you can just dump it. But if you're looking for something quiet, this is not the exhaust for you. So I want to say thanks again for watching my channel, subscribing and liking. If you haven't subscribed yet, please check that box. Peace out, guys. This thing came from Amazon. It's about $200 on Amazon. You've got free shipping if you got Prime. So check the description link and I'll put it down there. So the box came a little bit banged up right here. Looks like they taped it. But besides Jonah making a little noise, Jonah, it looks like the box is intact and it's new. And actually I might not have to use a box cutter. Jesse, don't play with the thing.